Hi, I'm Harsha Chelaram from YAMA Foundation, and welcome to Accessible Audio Yoga. Episode 11 is Stretching Out Tight Hips and Hamstrings. Most people who have aches and pains in their lower or upper back, sometimes it's because the hips and the hamstrings are so tight. Loosening them up should provide some relief. We'll begin in mountain pose. Start standing up tall with the feet close together, toes pointing forward. Bring the arms alongside the body, palms facing forwards. Lengthen the spine and relax. Standing forward bend. Bend forward from the hips, bringing the hands towards the floor. If you can reach the floor, place the hands on the floor. But if you have tight hips or hamstrings, you probably won't. So just allow the arms to dangle down and relax the neck. If there is any discomfort in the lower back, bend the knees to release out any tension in the lower back. If it's comfortable, hold here and relax. Low lunge, right. Bending the knees further, place the hands on the floor on either side of the feet. Step the left leg far back and lower the left knee to the ground, coming into a lunge. Look forwards and upwards and breathe nice and easy. Half monkey right. Shift the hips back, extending the front leg until you feel a deep stretch at the back of the right hamstring. Accommodate your hands on the floor to stay steady. If you are comfortable, lower the head towards the leg. Pigeon pose with forward fold, right side. From here, bring your right knee directly down to the floor between the hands, where the foot used to be. And then the right foot will be just in front of the left thigh. Your left leg is still extended behind you. Using your hands and accommodate your body as you shift the body backwards, allowing you to sit down on your hips. This pose is designed to stretch the outer hip. When you feel the stretch, see if you can walk the hands forwards and lower the head towards the ground with the arms extended out in front of you. Hold here for a few breaths. To come out, walk the hands in and lift the body up. Shift the right leg back and come on to 4-point pose on the hands and knees. Downward facing dog. Press on the hands and feet so you can lift the hips high up into the air and your body is making an inverted V. Feel the stretch in the spine and the backs of the legs and hold for a few breaths here. We'll now do this whole sequence using the other leg. Low lunge, left. Looking forwards, swing the left leg forwards between the hands and lower the right knee to the ground, coming into a lunge. Look forwards and upwards. Half monkey left. Shift the hips back, extending the front leg until you feel a deep stretch at the back of the left thigh. Accommodate the hands on the floor to stay steady, and only if you are comfortable, bring the head down towards the extended leg. Pigeon pose with forward fold, left. Bring the left knee down to the floor where the foot used to be, and shift the left foot now just in front of the right thigh. The right leg is still extended behind you. Again, using your hands, accommodating the body as you shift the body backwards, allowing you to sit down on the hips. Walk the hands forwards, folding over the body and lowering the head towards the ground with the arms extended out in front of you. Hold here and breathe. To come out, walk the hands in and lift the body up. Shift the right leg back and return to the downward facing dog position in an inverted V. Make sure you breathe nice and easy. Child's pose. From downward dog, Lower the knees to the floor. Bring the knees apart slightly and sit back onto the heels. Gently lower the head towards the floor, and if comfortable, stretch the arms out in front of you. Enjoy this grounding pose. Walk the hands in slowly, and then lift the body up, coming into a seated kneeling position. Place the palms together in front of the heart center and send yourself a message of gratitude for looking after your well-being. This concludes episode 11. Om Shanti. May the rest of your day be peaceful, and thank you.